Today I will be doing a super easy repair, an iPhone 6 screen replacement. I'll start off by shutting it down. Next, I'll remove the bottom screws. Next, I can use my metal pry tool to get the screen off. After that, I remove the battery bracket and unplug it. My battery isn't held in place with adhesive, so it came out, but yours shouldn't. Next, I remove the screen cables bracket and take off the screen. After that, we can transfer everything over to the new screen. Connecting the screen up and powering it on, we can see that everything works. And that's it. This repair is great for beginners wanting to get into repairing stuff. I hope this video helped you, and if you want to see more, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.